Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the top 5 best desks for working from home. Whether you need a desk for space saving, comfort, or style, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and find the perfect desk for your home office. 1. Best for small spaces. SHW Electric Height. Adjustable Computer Desk. The SHW Electric Height adjustable computer desk is perfect if you have a small workspace. It's compact, measuring just 48 inches wide, but still provides enough room for your laptop, monitor, and other essentials. The best part? It's height adjustable, so you can switch between sitting and standing throughout your workday. This desk has an easy-to-use electric lift system that lets you adjust the height with the push of a button. The sturdy steel frame ensures stability, even when fully extended. Plus, it has a sleek design that fits well in any modern home office. The SHW desk also includes a grommet for organizing your cables, keeping your workspace tidy. If you're looking for a desk that maximizes a small area while offering the benefits of a standing desk, this is a fantastic choice. 2. Best for ergonomics. Fully Jarvis Bamboo Standing Desk. The Fully Jarvis Bamboo Standing Desk is all about ergonomics. Its adjustable height ranges from 24.5 to 50 inches, which means you can set it to the perfect height whether you're sitting or standing. This helps prevent back and neck pain from long hours at your desk. Made from sustainable bamboo, it's also eco-friendly. The desk has a programmable keypad, so you can easily set your preferred heights. The desk is sturdy and stable, thanks to its steel frame and wide base. This desk also has plenty of room, with a surface area of 30 by 60 inches, giving you ample space for your computer, papers, and other work essentials. If staying comfortable and healthy while working is a priority, the Fully Jarvis Bamboo Standing Desk is your go-to. 3. Best for style. Walker Edison Modern L-shaped glass desk. If you want a desk that looks stylish, check out the Walker Edison Modern L-shaped glass desk. This desk has a sleek, modern design with a tempered glass top and steel frame. It's L-shaped, giving you lots of workspace and fitting perfectly in a corner. The glass top is easy to clean and adds a touch of elegance to your home office. The desk includes a CPU stand and a sliding keyboard tray, keeping your workspace neat and organized. The L-shaped design is great for multitasking, giving you plenty of room for your computer, documents, and more. With its stylish appearance and functional design, the Walker Edison desk is perfect if you want your workspace to look as good as it functions. 4. Best for budget. IKEA Linnmon Desk. The IKEA Linnmon desk is perfect if you're looking for something affordable without sacrificing quality. This desk is simple, sturdy, and very functional. It has a large surface area, measuring 47 by 23 inches, which is plenty of room for your laptop, monitor, and office supplies. The desk has a clean, minimalist design that fits well in any home office. It's also lightweight and easy to assemble, making it a great choice if you need something budget-friendly and practical. Despite its low price, the IKEA Linnmon desk is durable and stable, thanks to its strong legs and supportive frame. If you need a reliable desk without breaking the bank, this is the one to get. 5. Best for storage. Tribesigns Modern L-shaped desk with shelves. For those who need extra storage, the Tribesigns Modern L-shaped desk with shelves is ideal. This desk has an L-shaped design, providing a large workspace and includes multiple shelves for storing books, files, and office supplies. The desk is sturdy, with a metal frame and particle board surface that can handle heavy items. The shelves are conveniently placed, so everything you need is within easy reach. This desk also has a modern look that adds style to your home office. If you have lots of items to keep organized, the Tribesigns desk offers the perfect combination of workspace and storage, helping you stay productive and clutter-free. That's it for our top 5 best desks for working from home. Each of these desks offers something unique to fit different needs. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect desk for your home office. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home office tips and reviews. See you next time.